What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here, and it's time for some SAT prep. So what is the solution set of the equation above? Pretty straightforward algebraic problem here. So first thing I want to do is I want to subtract that 4 on both sides to isolate the square root. So I'm going to have the square root of 2x plus 6 equals x minus 1. Now to get rid of my radical there, to get rid of my square root, I'm going to square both sides. When I say both sides, I mean the entire thing. So these are going to cancel, and I'm left with 2x plus 6. But when I square x minus 1, that quantity x minus 1, I need to think of it as x minus 1 times x minus 1, FOIL, combined like terms, all that good stuff. I'm going to get x squared minus 2x plus 1 when I do that. Now I have a quadratic equation that I need to solve. So I'm going to set this thing equal to 0 and hope that it factors rather than having to use quadratic formula. So I'm going to have 0 equals x squared minus 4x minus 5. So does anything multiply to negative 5 and add to negative 4? Heck yeah, it does. I'm going to have 0 equals, it's going to be x minus 5 and x plus 1. Now I can set both of my factors here equal to 0 and solve for x. So I'll get x equals 5 for the first one, and I'll get x equals negative 1 for the second one. Not so fast to be circling choice C for this one. We got to check for what's called extraneous solutions. What the heck is that? That means I've done all my algebra correctly, but it doesn't work in the original pink problem up there. So if I plug 5 in, I'm going to get 10 plus 6 is 16. Square root of that is 4, plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 3 is also 8. So I already know this one works. Negative 1 now. If I plug that in, I'm going to get square root of 4, which is 2, plus 4 is 6. If I plug negative 1 in here, I'm going to get negative 1 plus 3 is 2. That's not true. 6 does not equal 2. So this one's out. It's an extraneous solution. It does not work in the original problem. My only solution here is 5, which is choice B. Boy, that was awesome.